Check my mark. Check my mark. Thank you.
Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video, guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is the Mi 11X. Earlier, I shown the PUBG News Chat gameplay on this Mi 11X. After this MIUI 12.5.7 update, I am using this. This update has been received last week for me, and I am using it for long days now. I will be sharing my experience with this update and when can we receive MIUI 13. I will be speaking about that also, and what all the core changes we'll see in Mi 11X after those updates. Let's see in detail about those things in this video. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like, guys. Let's begin the video. First one is like in this smartphone, after using the 12.5.7, I am getting this kind of CPU throttling test. You can see here the maximum is 214, average 207, and minimum is 178. CPU throttle to 94% of its maximum performance. This is how the CPU throttling test. Many people ask about this, and let's see the Geekbench scores also. I haven't run recently, but whenever the update has been received, then I am using it. As you can see, the single score is 808 and multi score is 2811. Earlier I was getting little bit better scores. This is on 22nd December, and on 19th December the multi score was good, single score was not that much good. And coming to like and this how the Mi 11X after 12.5.7. I am using this Mi 13 wallpaper. Some of them are available but they don't have any effect as of now, and like the main core features will be included in this enhanced version, or even if you go into Mi 13 also there will be feature included like the liquid storage. I mean the storage will be like if you open the apps like security or any other apps, not even in system apps, then you will get a better app opening times after coming to Mi 13 or even Mi 12.5 enhanced edition. I'm noticing it. You will definitely notice that liquid storage, how it helps to enhance the MIUI experience to next level. Yeah, it might not be huge difference but it will be a bit difference. And also atomized memory, like swift performance and more life between the charges will be going on in this Mi 11X after Mi 12.5 enhanced version. And also in terms of battery life also it's going to be very good, like focused algorithms and optimized memory and liquid storage. These three plays a vital role in Mi 13 also. You will get something like performed battery like that. I made Mi 13 ROMs, like here you can check out those kind of things going to be add here, such that it will be even optimized a little bit of better in my opinion. And auto brightness sensor, everything is fine in this update, everything is working fine. I have been running like almost now 15 to 20 days after that update 12.5.7. still many people aren't updated. I guess update it, it's fine, not a problem. I have been checking for long time. They would have added the call recording, but anyhow we have dialer. I wish they can change MIUI dialer in MIUI 13 but it won't be happening anyhow. If it made, it would be surprise. And this how the performance and battery life. And the biggest thing I like to mention is like there is no headphone jack for this Mi 11X, but the stereo speakers are very good. And into that, if I speak, I have been unboxed this Redmi earbuds 3 Pro. You can check out, because I always listen to wired earphones. Because of this smartphone doesn't have headphone jack, I tried this one first. It's everything is good actually with this. Let me show you in the Bluetooth actually. If I turn on, I kept depth of music. As you can see, there are plenty of speakers and everything. I have been testing to enhance the audio experience. But what I want to notice, what I noticed is, let me explain this one. If you go into more settings and select this one, as you can see there is only this kind of options. If you connect this earphones, it's fine, everything is working fine. But whenever I want to play like PUBG New State or BGMI, whatever it may be, I am currently playing PUBG New State. I already shown the gameplay also. You can judge how is the performance in this smartphone. I don't complain about BGMI because that's filled with hackers. I am not interested in that in playing this smartphone. Actually this is my primary smartphone. I will be using for daily tasks and everything. This is my primary smartphone. And okay, coming to like Bluetooth earphones, this one I am using. This is the Mi Neckband Pro. I want to review these two products. I am not getting time actually. And let me turn on this one and I will show you one thing. This one is having ANC also. This is a Mi Neckband Pro. And finally I can say one thing like, okay, Mi Neckband Pro is connected now. Let me show you into more settings. This one I have very good actually. As you can see, AAC is supported. If you enable this, and I connected this Bluetooth earphones with Poco X3 Pro, but I am not getting this option because of this or what, I don't know. The audio experience is excellent for Mi 11X with this Bluetooth earphones. I finally found a very good thing. I am waiting for price cut again. I got it for just 1200 rupees. Now it's around 1800. But still even for 1800 also it's good one. Again, if that will come for sale like under 1200 or 1500, I am going to buy one more, because this is going to be very good for Mi 11X. Also Mi 11X Pro also my friend is using it. Check out, this is going to be very good Bluetooth earphones, pair of earphones. There is a dongle, but everything, every time I need to remove and all, I don't like it. And coming to camera also, the experience is okay, good. The video, what I liked is the video performance is really good in this smartphone. I never expected that, and even the 8 megapixel camera day shots are also very good. This is very good smartphone for camera also. Yes, you will getting the old sensor Sony IMX 582, but still it's a very good sensor, I can say. Just 4K 30 fps is not available. Apart from that, 4K 60 fps is not available. Apart from that, everything is very good. Even today I can say the camera is very good. The front facing camera only little bit, as you can see in some of the shots, there is like what you can say, exposure is not in control. This is same issue I am seeing in any Redmi Note series also. But anyhow, if you have Gcam port, then you can install and use it. It will give you very good experience. Overall, if I can say, the update of 12.5.7, you will get very good stability, performance, and also the latest security patch. Let's see what is the security patch. I guess it's December 1. Okay, December 2021 security patch you will get. Everything is fine for me. Even dark mode is also pitch black condition and works very well. And this control center is very good in my opinion. And day-to-day tasks and opening apps and even browsing internet, like I will be using Facebook, Instagram a lot in this smartphone, and playing PUBG New State and some of the OTT applications like Prime Video, Hotstar, and payments. Everything is fine. I never regret this smartphone. I mean, I never got any problem with this smartphone using those day-to-day tasks and every app I mentioned. That's really fine for me. And this how the performance, and even the battery life is also good. I am using this 10-watt charger for time being. Only if I go outside I will use this 33-watt charger. Also unboxed, if you lost this 33-watt charger, I unboxed a video, you can check out. You can buy with me.com or Xiaomi store, you can buy it out. That's also available. If you lost your 33-watt charger, you got any damage also, you can buy the new one. It's like around 1000 rupees. Sometimes you will get with coupon discount 800 also. Do check out that. And if you can buy this 10-watt charger also, that could be better, because not every time you need to charge with, not necessary to charge with 33-watt charger for every time. This will also help your smartphone. And one more thing, like at early stages I was not getting better battery life in this smartphone. After the two things I made, like in the display settings, if you go here AI image engine, MEMC also I can turn it off. And one more thing I want to tell about MEMC is, like if I turn off, the motions will be little bit laggy. If I turn on, it's a little more smoother. I want a middle option, but anyhow I will be turning it on. Even if you turn off this one also, you will get very good battery life. And AI HDR enhancement, if you don't watch so much of HDR content, then turn it off. And also turn on find device is enabled. After turning off that, I am getting very good battery life, like 15 to 30 minutes has been improved for me. And regarding update also, the battery life is good, and charging speeds are also good with both 33-watt charger and 10-watt charger. And that's all guys, I explained everything I guess. And thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. And if you're still not subscribed, subscribe it guys. I'll be making Mi 11X updates as and when they release, and also some time I will check it out and make a long-term review of the update. And thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.